I have one Amazon account personally per territory. All right, so in Australia, I have my Amazon account here in Oz that's run here in Oz and does its thing in Australia. I have the ditto thing running in America, so wherever I sell, the marketplaces I sell in, I have a dedicated Amazon account, and that's okay. That's cool. No dramas there, okay? What you can't have, according to Amazon's terms of service, is two Amazon accounts in a marketplace. So I cannot now have a second Amazon account in Australia, all right? So how the hell do I do it? Well, I don't do it. What I do instead is I find business partners to work with. So I think we've actually got a couple on the call tonight. So I know Bill's on the call, for instance. Bill and I are building a business in Australia, selling some really cool things. Melinda's not on the call, but me and Melinda are doing the same thing too. And a number of other, and Hugh, for instance, we're doing a thing in America, and bloody blah. So I have that. And the way that works is Bill opens up an Amazon account in his name. And then, let me just pause my screen. And then I'm just going to quickly go and log into my account for you. Where am I? Not that, not that, not that, not that. Here we go, that'll do. So here I am in one of the accounts that I am involved in, okay? This one's in Australia. So the person whose account this is, her name is Michelle, she will open the account in her name, and then she adds me as a user of that account, all right? And that is fine, because my accounts, I have loads of other users, so my virtual assistant can log into my account. The person what runs my Amazon PPC campaigns for me can log into my account. The person that does my ordering for me, yada, yada, yada. So all of my Amazon team, they all have their unique access into that account. And that's done over in this corner here, in settings, in user permissions. So you can add a new user, and then you assign permissions to that person. And I am yet to see a limit to the number of other users that you can have in an Amazon account. So, Wolfgang, what happens is, Bill opens an account, or Michelle in this case, opens an account on Amazon in her name. Then she adds me as a admin user. So I get admin privileges in the account, and then I get to work making that account make money. That's kind of how it works, mate. It's actually really, really simple. Amazon facilitates that for us, and that's the deal that I have with the people who are in business with me. They put the money in, I put all my marketing skills in, and it works really, really well. And as I said, I'm a part of approximately 300 different products now that we've launched onto Amazon through doing this sort of thing, and it works really, really well. So there you go, that's how you do it, mate. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.